Hi everyone, in this video we'll be reviewing the new Crompton Nouris Pro DG 1500 watt air fryer. It comes with two free accessories helpful in oil-free cooking, a pair of tongs and an oil brush. Let's take a look at the control panel. Here's the power button. On the sides we have a full temperature control with the range of up to 200 degrees and a variable 60-minute timer. The digit display at the center. This air fryer also has an easy one-touch preset menu containing 8 indie dish options for easy cooking. From fish to fries, from cakes to chicken wings, it can make it all. Press the center button to remove the large circular bowl. This bowl comes with a capacity of 4.5 liters and more surface area to cook large quantity at once. The inner bowl is also easily detachable using the same button function for quick cleaning. After adding the food to the bowl, you can simply put it inside the air fryer and push it in. The box also contains a well-curated recipe book to help you experiment with various dish recipes, from chocolate cake and spring rolls to prawns and even pizza. This was our review of the new Crompton Nouris Pro DG 1500 watt air fryer. Thanks for watching.